Hello, so we've made a custom mounting bracket for the Airlift 3P holder. So that's where your Airlift unit or controller would go. You can close it, you can open it. This one doesn't work because the spring is out of function. You would have to unbolt your stock unit and just replace it with this using the stock mounting hose. And the additional prototype or additional model that we work on now is to provide the USB-C support for charging and an on-off switch for extra functionality. Let me quickly show you how this is fitted.
Gently cut the screws.
And this product will be made out of ABS. And that's how it looked like with the USB-C and then the controller. So controller will be here, and then yeah, and that will be the version without anything, just a bracket for the controller. Yeah, and then this will be only available in black.